Hello, everyone. I'm Martins, and welcome to Billionaire Financial Lifestyle. Today, I'm excited to share something special with you, my 10 sources of income that bring in a staggering $211,000 every month. Yes, you heard that right, but this video isn't just about numbers. It's about showing you what's possible when you take charge of your financial destiny. Make sure you hit that like button, share this video, and if you haven't yet, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on content that could change your life. To begin, let me put your minds in the right framework. Learn to overcome failure. If you want to be rich, you must learn to have a long-term goal in mind. Do not think of making money overnight as the way out. Do not be enticed by those promoting overnight riches. It wasn't always smooth sailing for me. I've stumbled, faced setbacks, and experienced failures that felt overwhelming, just like many of you might be going through right now. But here's what I've learned. Those failures weren't the end. They were stepping stones to something greater. Not too long ago, Elon Musk almost sold of his business because it was not doing well. So, every setback taught me something valuable and pushed me closer to my goals. I hope my story inspires you to keep moving forward, even when the path is tough. Remember, every challenge is just a chapter in your success story. If this resonates with you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your journey and the challenges you're overcoming. Income source number 1, online course sales. Let's dive into online courses. At one point, these were a huge part of my income. Creating a course around something you're truly passionate about can be incredibly rewarding, not just financially, but also in the way it allows you to share your expertise with others. While I've moved on from actively selling courses, the impact and the income they generated were substantial. Remember, you have unique knowledge and skills that others can benefit from. Don't underestimate what you have to offer. If creating a course is something you're curious about, hit that subscribe button and share in the comments what skills you'd love to teach the world. Income source number 2, YouTube AdSense. YouTube AdSense is another major stream of income for me. By consistently creating content that provides value to you all, I earn revenue from the ads that play during my videos. The more you engage with my content, the more I'm able to grow, which in turn allows me to continue delivering valuable insights to you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and subscribe for more content that can help you on your financial journey. Short-form video monetization. Short-form videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram are another income source. These videos are often snippets from my longer YouTube content, and while they don't bring in massive amounts of money, they're crucial for building my brand and reaching a wider audience. Starting small and staying consistent is key in this space. If you're considering diving into short-form content, don't be discouraged by slow progress. Keep at it. If you're ready to explore this exciting avenue, give this video a thumbs up. Income source number 4, brand deals. Brand deals and sponsorships are another significant chunk of my income. As my online presence has grown, companies have approached me to promote their products within my videos. It's a great way to monetize your content once you've built a strong personal brand. Staying authentic is crucial. Your audience will trust you more, and brands will be more eager to collaborate with you. If you've ever thought about working with brands, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Income source number 5, the recruiting business. Let's kick things off with my very first income stream, my recruiting business. Together with my partner, we help companies find top-tier overseas talent. It wasn't easy at the start, but our passion for solving problems fueled our drive, and now this business is thriving. If entrepreneurship is something you're considering, a service-based business like this could be your gateway to financial freedom. The key is to start with something you're genuinely passionate about. Don't forget to subscribe and share in the comments if starting your own business is on your radar. Income source number 6, consulting. Consulting is another powerful way I generate income. By sharing my expertise with other entrepreneurs, I not only help them grow, but also create an additional revenue stream for myself. If you have specialized knowledge, consulting can be incredibly profitable. But here's the thing. Personal branding is essential in this field. Build your brand, and opportunities will start coming to you. If consulting is something you're considering, give this video a like and let's connect. Income source number 7, digital products. Now, let's dive into something that has proven to be incredibly profitable for me, selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, templates, or printable guides, digital products are an amazing way to generate passive income. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and they can be sold repeatedly without any additional work. This might not be for everyone, but it's a powerful reminder that there are countless ways to make money if you're willing to get creative. If this concept sparks your interest, drop a comment below and let's discuss more innovative ways to generate income together. Income source number 8, stock and crypto portfolio. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrency has been a part of my financial journey for over a decade. I'm not a day trader, but I believe in the power of long-term growth. These investments have significantly boosted my net worth over time. If you haven't started investing yet, there's no better time than now. Remember, it's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Subscribe for more insights on how to build wealth through smart investments, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Income source number 9, affiliate marketing. Next up is affiliate marketing, a true game changer in the digital world. This is where I make money by promoting products and earning commissions. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or even just an Instagram page, affiliate marketing is a great way to generate income. Consistency is key here. Start small, stay dedicated, and over time, your efforts will pay off. Like this video if you're eager to learn more about how to succeed in affiliate marketing. Income source number 10, high-yield savings accounts. Lastly, let's talk about something simple but effective, high-yield savings accounts. It's the most passive form of income I have, but it's still an important piece of my overall financial strategy. This is something everyone should consider, especially in today's economic climate. It's a straightforward way to make sure your money is working for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that helps you forth. And there you have it, my 10 sources of income that bring in $211,000 a month. My journey proves that with persistence, creativity, and the right mindset, you can achieve financial success too. Remember, it's not about where you start, it's about where you're going. If you haven't yet, subscribe to Billionaire Financial Lifestyle. Share this video with someone who needs inspiration, and let's build wealth together. See you in the next video. Watch this video and learn other various ways to be rich.